I will be speaking about the limit laws. The difference rule is the limit of f of x minus g of x as x approaches c equals the limit of f of x as x approaches c minus the limit of g of x as x approaches c. The sum rule states the limit of f of x plus g of x as x approaches c equals the limit of f of x as x approaches c plus the limit of g of x as x approaches c. The product rule states the limit of f of x times g of x as x approaches c equals this. The quotient rule is the limit of f of x divided by g of x as x approaches c equals this. This is the constant rule. So basically the limit of k as x approaches c equals k. And the identity rule, the limit of x as x approaches c equals c. So let's do some problems here. So this says the limit of x minus 2 as x approaches 0, which we can use is the difference rule. So the limit of x as x approaches 0 minus the limit of 2 as x approaches 0. This is the identity rule, which states over here, and this is the constant rule. So this would be 0 minus 2, which equals negative 2. Number 2 states the limit of x plus 2 as x approaches 1. We can use the sum rule. So this would be the limit x as x approaches 1 plus the limit of 2 as x approaches 1 equals 3, because this is the identity rule and this is the constant rule. Number 3, this is the product rule. So this is the limit of f of x as x approaches 3. We'll separate it and we'll do limit of 5 as x approaches 3 times the limit of x as x approaches 3. As we said before, this is the constant rule and this is the identity rule. Last and finally, this is the quotient rule. So the limit of 5 divided by x as x approaches 4, we can use the quotient rule. So the limit of 5 as x approaches 4 divided by the limit of x as x approaches 4. This is the constant rule and this is the identity rule. And the answer is 5/4. So this is the limit laws, and I hope you enjoy my video.